One tiny seed from ancient times works better for muscle growth than any lab-made protein supplement. Maybe you've caught your reflection and thought, I'm eating enough, I'm moving daily, so why do my arms seem thinner and my legs feel less steady? If that hits home, you're not imagining anything. Scientists call this anabolic resistance, a built-in aging shift where your muscles stop listening to protein signals. Even if you load up on chicken and shakes, your body's muscle-building machinery operates at half speed. That's why countless seniors lose strength while doing everything their doctor recommends. But what if the answer isn't eating more protein, but choosing foods that flip the switch back on? Today, we're revealing 4 ancient seeds that fueled the world's healthiest elders for centuries. And the final seed might just be the most complete muscle repair food nature ever created. Stay tuned, it surprised leading nutrition researchers. Before we start, type your age below. And if you refuse to let age steal your strength, hit like and subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle for more healthy aging truths. Now, let's uncover these seeds. But before we list them, ask yourself, have you been relying solely on protein powders and ignoring whole food helpers? That's a common oversight. The seeds we're about to discuss don't just add protein, they unlock your body's own muscle-building machinery. And I'll share the one storage mistake that can ruin their potency. Number 1. Sesame seeds. Most people separate bone health from muscle strength, but they're a team. Weak bones limit movement, and less movement shrinks muscles. Sesame seeds pack calcium, magnesium, copper, and phosphorus to reinforce bones. Even better, they contain lignans, unique plant compounds linked to healthier hormone levels and reduced oxidative stress. Since hormone changes after 60 can accelerate muscle loss, this is crucial. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons sprinkled on vegetables or soups give you a daily bone muscle boost. Strong bones are the foundation of strong muscles. Quick storage note: keep sesame seeds in a cool, dark place to preserve their delicate lignans. Number 2. Pumpkin seeds. If muscle growth had a single, non-negotiable mineral, it would be zinc, and pumpkin seeds deliver one of nature's richest supplies. Zinc drives protein synthesis, the actual repair and construction of muscle tissue. Skimp on zinc and recovery grinds to a crawl. But pumpkin seeds also offer tryptophan, which helps you fall into deep, restorative sleep. Remember this: muscles don't build in the gym, they build while you sleep. Poor sleep equals poor rebuilding. So these seeds attack age-related muscle loss from 2 directions, fueling synthesis and upgrading your sleep quality. Even a small daily handful can shift the balance. Another overlooked fact: roasting pumpkin seeds can degrade some zinc, so enjoy them raw or lightly toasted. Sleep is when your muscles finally grow. Number 3. Flax seeds. After 75, hidden inflammation becomes a top muscle destroyer. Even low-grade inflammation disrupts your body's ability to maintain muscle. Flax seeds are packed with ALA omega-3s, which help calm that internal fire. When inflammation quiets, your muscles start responding to exercise and protein again. But you must grind them first, or the nutrients sail right through. Stir ground flax into oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies to capture the full benefit. And remember, ground flax oxidizes quickly. Freeze it to lock in freshness. Number 4. Hemp seeds. If you've skipped these, you're missing nature's most complete protein package. Unlike most plants, hemp provides every single amino acid, all 20 that your body demands. The real magic, though, is absorbability. As you age, many proteins become tough to digest. Hemp protein is remarkably easy for an older system to break down and put to work. That means more amino acids actually get to your muscles for repair. On top of that, hemp delivers healthy fats, magnesium, iron, and zinc, a full-spectrum fuel for active aging. For many researchers, it's the closest thing to a flawless plant protein. That's why it claims the top spot. With these seeds, a small daily rotation can rebuild strength gradually. Over weeks, you may notice noticeably steadier balance and a firmer handshake. That's exactly how nature designed muscle support. Which of these seeds already live in your pantry? Tell us in the comments. If this video gave you a new edge, hit like, subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle, and ring the bell for more aging breakthroughs.